RigX, what we would consider an advanced workflow. Let's start RigX from the menu. And the project that we are going to work on is the already provided one, RigX project and RigX character. Next, let's open RigX manager to have it here. So since we already have this, and I'm just going to show you what we have in that project. So this is the input data that we are working with. Meta-human topology, all assets, everything you need for the character. Now I'm just going to use meta-human topology setup for editing. It's done. Looks like this. I can update the neck joints if I need. For this one, they're already perfect. I don't need to. Calculate RigX, and we get everything that we need. What is so advanced about this? So we would set up the character. Done. And now we have from 0 to 40, we can edit any expression we need to. Simply click set expression for editing. It will transfer to this head. On the 40th frame, we can edit whatever we need. Save, edit to RigX, and we will have it on the rig. But what if we want to make something specific? We want a combination from I branch with, for example, this control. And that control would be if you see here, this is the additional control here for anything you need. We simply put something so it shows, but you can re-edit anything you need on that. And how would we do that? Let's go here. Add or remove correctional shapes. For example, in the eyes branch, select brow down. Simply like this. Don't do this. This is for removing expressions. So like this, just highlight it. For bonus controls, let's go number 2 here. Select like this. So we have this selected and this. We would go add combination. We would find, you see here, select the folder for the project. Just the folder. Select. Now select the DNA file where you want to add corrections. This, everything. For example, we don't need everything now, but let's select everything nonetheless. Okay? And now where this branch, where this corrective shape is going to appear. We want to for it to appear in the bonus control branch, so we will just select that and get open. It's going to calculate from 0 to 100. Once it's done calculating, it's going to give you a confirmation that the expression control is added. Okay? We don't need this anymore. Now, we should have it here. But if we don't see it right away, we should just refresh the project and character. And here it is. Now, if we click, you see that we are getting this. So all 3 of these are getting moved simultaneously. And we added a new corrective shape. Same process would be browse raise, remove expression, find, select everything. Okay, this works. Now we know what we can remove. You can see it here, even though it's finished. Let's remove it and again refresh to see the updated version. And now the first one is brow lower since we removed browse raise. That is how you can customize your character even though you already created the files for the character. So you can edit them anytime you need to. The bonus controls are here so that you can add transitions to different characters, or even some additional shapes if you want to have something like this happening to your character, like horns or whatever. You can add that to corrective controls and it will not ruin the animation or transformation of your character.